that reassurance today. The success of our vaccine programme has been aided by those selflessly creating the great benefits for society and the rest of the world by being a part of those clinical trials, without which we wouldn't have this vaccine programme. We're committed to ensuring that they are not disadvantaged as a result of being part of those trials, and I'm delighted to announce that those on approved clinical trials in the UK will also not need to self-isolate or take that day 8 test from an amber list country. Passengers will need to, of course, be able to prove their vaccination status, and they'll do that either through the COVID Pass. Now, that's available on the main NHS app, not the COVID app, or via the accessible letter, which can be obtained by calling 119 for those without access to smartphones. Passengers returning to England will be asked to include their vaccination status on their passenger locator form if they wish to benefit from the exemption to self-isolate. And transport operators and carriers will be required to check passengers' proof of being fully vaccinated before they are able to get on the form of transport. The government's been working closely with international partners on restarting international travel safely through certification. I'm pleased to announce to the House today that more than 30 countries and territories are now recognising vaccine certification as part of entry requirements and either accepting proof of vaccination letter or the NHS app itself, and we'll continue to increase that number so that the NHS app becomes the natural default. Passengers should, of course, check with the Foreign Office travel advice to understand the latest entry requirements and COVID-19 rules at their destination.